Hi folks, and welcome again to another video from me, Brummy in the Highlands. I'm actually in Aberdeenshire again today. Now, what I've decided to do, we did go and visit Braemar, the village of Braemar, but we've stopped off at Balmoral. Now, the castle itself is just through there. We're just going down to the kitchen gardens. So what we'll do, we'll take a walk through the grounds of Balmoral. Okay folks, you can see how beautiful these gardens are, and that's the glass house over there, the conservatory. Now there's lots going on, here in the garden. It's very busy. There we go folks, Balmoral Castle, and we'll try and get closer to it. Yeah folks, so we've just had our first sighting of the castle. Now we're heading through this archway, this tunnel, and what you can see as well, just in front of us, you've got those little audio stop signs. Now what you do is you download an app before you go in, and you can actually have a running commentary as you're walking around, and every time you get to a different audio stop, it tells you more information about Balmoral. So this is the garden cottage folks, and this was used by Queen Victoria. She used to come down here quite often and spend time in this building, this garden cottage. Now if I just pan round, you will see that she's very close to the castle itself, which is just peeking through the trees there. So a very tranquil place, isn't it, this? And we'll have a quick wander around the back as well to see what's going on around there. Just to the left of the shop there, you can just see a photo of Queen Victoria with John Brown, I think. And this is round the back of the garden cottage again now, folks. It's just rather bizarre that we're actually in the area where royalty come to, regardless of your opinions on royalty. It's still a fantastic place to come and visit, it really is. Here we go, folks, Balmoral Castle. You know, I'm getting a little bit closer to it now. Isn't that fantastic? Just look at that. That is incredible. Yeah, folks, this is the back now of Balmoral. There we go, in its grandeur. I'm sure many famous people have come into this. Now, I couldn't get any video, unfortunately, in the ballroom because they weren't letting photographs or video, so apologies for that. And then just as I pan round, you've got the little cafe area there, and then just to the right of that we've got the Mews, which is where we'll walk down to next, down to the Mews, just in the centre of the shop now. We've got the Mews here, folks. Now just looking to the right there, you can see through the right hand archway you've got where the stables would have been. It's not used as stables now. Okay, I've just arrived at the Princess Alice Memorial now. There we go. I'll read it to you guys. It's to the dear memory of Alice, Grand Duchess of Hesse, Princess of Great Britain and Ireland, born April 25th, 1843, and she died December 14th, 1878. This is erected by her sorrowing mother, Queen Victoria. The name shall live, though now she is no more. How many times has Queen Victoria visited this, I wonder? And we'll just take a pan around. And then just behind those trees there in the middle of the shot, which you can't see, is Balmoral Castle itself. So I'm just moved away from the Princess Alice Memorial. You can see the castle there in the distance in the middle of the shot. Now we've walked all the way around and we're now at the Diamond Jubilee cairn. I think it is. So we should see, just as we pass this tree, you should start to see the cairn come into view. There we go. And that's the Diamond Jubilee cairn. There we go. There's a little black stone here. We'll go and take a quick look at that. See what that says. If I can actually get to it. I can't really get to it, but I'll read it out. The Diamond Jubilee cairn, gift to Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II from present and former employees of Balmoral Estate and members of Aberdeen and Edinburgh Royal Warrant Holders Association 2012. So there you go. And if you look on there, you can see Diamond Jubilee 2012. Well, that was a nice gift, wasn't it? Okay folks, that's the end of my video now from here, Balmoral Estate. Didn't expect to do it today, so it's rather impromptu, this one. Weather was okay, a little bit wet and windy, but what a fantastic place to visit. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe if you've enjoyed it. It is free. Check out my YouTube page and Facebook page for my other videos, Brummie in the Highlands. So until the next time from me here in Balmoral Estate, I'll see you all again very soon. Thank you.